Başlıyor.
Hello everyone, it is Ali and Gökhan. Today we are going to represent our short data science project. Our data consists of some patient data, but we don't know the features of this data. First, we try to understand this data. As we can see here, we can see the distribution of diseases. We can see the distribution of feature 28. We can see the distribution of feature 29. And this is a pie chart. We have some missing value in this data set. In here, we drop the columns dynamically when their missing value count is more than 25%. We have some missing value in this dataset, so we fill these missing values. If the column type is object, we took the mode of this column. If numerical, we took the mean of this column. As we can see, we have no missing values. After this, we have applied encoding to the data, as we can see here. After that, we have used select K-best to select the first 10 columns that are useful for training and testing. These are the selected columns. After that, we separate the data to test and train and normalize the data. So we have applied some different machine learning models. One of them is decision tree classifier. This is the confusion matrix. This is the classification report of this decision tree. Random forest classifier, SVMs, Gaussian naive Bayes, and K nearest neighbors. To select the best model, we have used these graphics. F1 scores, recall scores, and precision scores. Among these models, random forest accuracy, F1 score, and precision score was the highest. So we selected random forest and applied hyperparameter tuning with different parameters. After this, we selected the best parameters and got 1% improve in accuracy and precision scores. This is the final confusion matrix. This is the improvement. Then we pickled usable dictionaries, model, and tuples to send Django. All these processes are done dynamically. No static assignment is done in our project.
Hi, in this part, I'm going to show how to install and run the application. And finally, I'm going to show a demo. Here, we prepare the requirements txt file. In this file, there are necessary libraries that we used in this project. You need to install all of them in your local machine. Here we write how to install all libraries. You can type just pip install commands like this. Then after that, you need to start the server Django application. For running the application, you can just type these comments. Here, I'm going to start Django application. I clicked enter, and yes, there is a URL here. our application runs on localhost. You can navigate to this page here. This is our applications page. There are 10 different features. Some features have different data types, so input fields are different for each features. Here, these fields are numerical fields. You need to write float or integer values. Here, there are drop-down menus. In these drop-down menus, there are different options. If you just submit any empty fields, you will get an warning message. So you need to fill in all input fields. Let's try some inputs. I'm just going to write one for each. Other ones are already selected, so I'm gonna select them, and I submit it. Here there is a table. In this table, there are the results. Here in this column, we see the disease names and we see the prediction results for each of them, and all of them are listed. And finally, I'm going to tell this button's purpose. If you are writing these fields, but you want to just clear all of them, you can just submit the button, and here all of them are cleared. This is our application. Thanks for listening.